We don't want to ruin that tape.
No, we don't.
We're racking straight ahead.
All forward. Drip. Yeah, I like the boating rods.
Yeah.
Kind of weird how it's flowing that way. You don't see what I mean? Coming down. All forward. Drip.
Nice looking game trail, huh?
Serious game trail right there.
Elk trail right there. It looks like a motorcycle trail almost.
It does.
Yeah, when it cuts along the edge there, that's pretty steep.
Side hill trails are my nemesis. I don't like the side hill.
There's the William Pogue trail right there. That's a people trail.
That's well dug in.
Scouted on the motorcycle.
Or scouted on the mountain bike.
Oh yeah, either one.
Got some noise coming up, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's big, it's fun, there's no rocks, it's just nothing to wiggle with.
Let's put Q on the downside. We want the wet toe.
How was that, dude?
Nice. This time we're going left forward. Yeah, okay, pay for it. You getting that?
Yeah. Yeah. All forward. Chase them down. Drip.